seasoning. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're not new, welcome back, Pooh. So I'm in the middle of one day I'm vlogging. So I'm reviewing the food. So today we're going to be doing and reviewing the main choice 4-leaf clover has a shampoo, leave-in, and a styling spray. I'm going to see how it works. So I'll do the smell test on the shampoo. It's feeling pretty good. Just the leave-in, I think it's like an oil blend. So it's very creamy. I'll be right back. So the first part you're seeing going is with the shampoo, and it's very creamy. It's not thick like the other product review I did, and it is lathered up really fast. And I don't know what it is. Like the last two reviews I've done, like they like lathered up really fast, and it just surprised me because I've never had a shampoo lather up that fast when I've only used a small amount of it. But like I love the smell of it. It has aloe vera, clove oil, and it has one more ingredient in it that I can't remember. But like the smell is amazing to me. I don't know, it just gives you a fresh, clean scent. And if you like the smell of like plants, like you'd love this. I don't know, maybe I'm just weird, but the smell is awesome to me. And it feels very moisturizing. It didn't take long to wash out like I expected it to. So if I did not mention before, I got this set from Walmart for $14.88. During Christmas they have a whole bunch of products as a set on sale. Normally each product ranges from $10 to $14. So this was a complete set. Next, I'm about to go with their leave-in spray. It says hair type 4. I'm going to see if it really is a type 4 hair. Wow. So I did detangle my hair while in the shower. Like the smell is amazing. There's aloe vera, flaxseed, and clove oil. It says nourishment, moisture, soft, breast control. Filled with biotin, vitamin D and E. Let's see. This will provide a hold and definition, stores dry coarse hair. So I'm gonna try a twist out with it. So I love the seeds with this. No, it's not thick. It's like this. It's creamy though. I don't think it has enough hold for me to do a wash and go with it, which was cool. So I'm going to twist the rest of my head and I'm going to come back and let y'all see and what I think about it. Yeah, I could tell that I could not do anything with this as far as the washing goes. As a moisturizer, I think I like it. I like how it feels. I like what it's doing to my hair. My hair ain't that heavy to hold it down. I feel like it's going to fluff up into floated feathers. As far as smell goes, like, I like aloe vera and I like aloe and flaxseed oil, my bad. So Clover is my first time smelling it, but I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. And I actually, I like it. As you can see, my plus one or big, the button still come out very defined. I really rock with it. The only issue is I can't find my pick. I can't fluff it like I would like to. But we're gonna see how it holds up at a full day of work. I'm gonna come back to y'all with my results.